Alright, welcome back again with my channel, guys. So, on this great day, that I really would like to visit Taman Griya, which is uh, the area is in the middle of the jungle. And I really would like to show you how's the situation here. And I really would like to show you more the detail about the waterfall also. This is the area for the parking fee. Parking was really large. It's a really nice area. Anyway, in this area is still a lot of construction for the direction. It is really nice. Halo. Wis keren iki.
Ya.
Taman begitu ya, guys. And over here there is the local people here that they are making the joglo. Probably in the future this is become for the guest house. Look like a really cool. And this is the area from the Taman beji Griya. That's if you would like to put the donation on this area, really possible. And the local people from here, it's really welcoming for you. And anyway, guys, the area is super nice and amazing because there is a lot of shop over here. So this is the front of it.
Okay, what? Yeah, it's what you are. And later you will get the started. I pay for you first.
Okay.
After that, you can take the salad.
Okay.
So the ticket is only 100,000. It's already included with the coffee, guys. So time for me now to get the coffee, probably there.
Okay, you can just go, yeah.
So as soon as you already get the tickets, that the local people from here, the leader from ceremony here, they will be helping you to using the sarong, because that we will be going to the spring water from Taman beji, that we must be use the sarong properly to respect that we will be going to the Hindu temple.
The big bag here. You just bring the bottle. Bag cannot bring in. Okay. You small bag.
So just for your information, that you are not allowed to bring your backpack to the temple, because it is a holy place.
No.
You need something from bag? No? Alright. Okay, I just keep back there. And I also will be use the sarong.
Slowly, like that. But not all. It's not.
Ready? Okay. Let's put on to the Taman beji. Great. Alright, time for me to explore and show you how is that Taman beji, guys. We will be walking down on a really nice way. So this is the information. The area is super nice and cool. So I see there's a lot of tourists that they are already going for the ritual here because this place is really popular for the ceremony ritual for blessing. So like what we can see here, it's getting more and more people coming, getting more tourists was also interested to come and following the ritual in this area. The tourist which is using uh, the red sarong that they are will be going for the ritual, but because today there's I just only for visiting, then I just only using the purple sarong, guys. So there is a lot of tourists also come to this place for making a movie. So right now that I really would like to going down through the river to see the situation over here. How was the waterfront waterfall, sorry. So in here, that's the only for praying allowed to come because today we are not going for praying, so we are not allowed going to inside. So, what do you think about Taman Beji Griya, sir? What do you think about the temple?
Very nice.
You really recommend for the tourists to come to Bali?
Yes, sure. Yes.
And
food life.
yeah, especially Taman Beji Griya, right? Very good.
Come please.
Yeah. Guys, that is all about Taman Beji Griya. So hopefully the information that I share for today that's really useful for you if you would like to planning to see really nice place, and if you would like to healing and do meditation or something in Bali, just try to come and visit Taman Beji Griya because this is really nice place for you. It's super gorgeous, guys. If you would like to really feeling more close to how was the Balinese people like, just come and visit Taman Beji Griya. So thank you. I see you again on the next channel.